Hello there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can deactivate your Instagram account. So once you have opened your Instagram app, and then go to the bottom right corner and then click on profile icon. Now on the top right corner click on 3-bar icon. Now go to the settings and privacy. Now under the meta section click on the account center. Now scroll down and go to the personal details. Now on the bottom click on the account ownership and control. Now select the deactivation or deletion. Now select your Instagram profile. Now click on continue. Now you need to enter your Instagram password and then click on continue. After that you will be able to deactivate your Instagram account. So that's how you can deactivate your Instagram account. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.